I just am so excited to be here to be able to announce Sara King as the Milken Educator for 2019. You know, I know at Ala Wai, all of you and all of the teachers here work really hard to make sure that all of you students can believe, achieve, succeed, dream big, and most importantly, to make it happen. So I just really want to thank everyone here at Ala Wai for making it happen for Sara. Congratulations to all of you. I know it takes a village to educate a child. Mahalo.
Boys and girls, I think you just saw what happens when you dream big, right? When you dream big, good things happen. And one of the good things today is to honor Mrs. King for all you do for our students, the faculty, and here for the children of the state of Hawaii, because it matters. It matters so much to all of us, and thank you for all you do. Congratulations on a much-deserved award. And children, one last request that I do have for all of you is when you go back to your classrooms, go back and thank your teachers for all they do, because they all make Ala Wai such a special place for all of you in our community. Congratulations.
And we have our newest U.S. Congressman with us today, Ed Case, who just took office last month. He's here before he gets on a plane to go back to Washington, D.C., and he was also our congressman earlier in 2002 and 2007. We'd love to have you bring congratulations.
Thank you so much. Aloha to everybody. Sara, we are so incredibly happy for you. And as we celebrate your happiness with you, we recognize that this is about public education. The greatest percentage of opportunity, the greatest number of Americans in our history. One of the great equalizing factors in all of our society. An institution that has stood the test of time, that so many have served so well, including all of your colleagues that are here in the room and your prior winners behind you, who we also represent, we recognize. And we know that you would say here that there are many that deserve this just as much as you do. We know that's going through your head right now. And we want to say to you that while that's true, you have earned this every step of the way. You have earned this right to call yourself an award winner of this incredible Oscars of Education, one of only 33 in our entire country this year. So we have such great hopes for you. We have such great appreciation for you, but of course, now you've got this great award, you got to go out and earn it even more. So you've got a whole nother chapter or two in front of you, and go on and mentor those next award winners. Thank you so much.